Hello, I'm Nick Delmonico, Director of Sales and Marketing for Encore Rail Systems just outside of Denver, Colorado. I appreciate the opportunity to share some more information about our company with you. At Encore, we offer the unique ability to provide crosstie life extension equipment, compounds, and unparalleled know-how to meet the specific maintenance-aware requirements of railroads. We know a lot rides on your crossties, and that's why our business is solely dedicated to crosstie maintenance, life extension, and helping you keep your track engaged. Class 1 railroads, shortlines, contractors, and transits all over North America have come to trust Encore for their crosstie maintenance needs. In addition to compounds and equipment, we provide service, maintenance, field support, and aftermarket parts. At Encore, safety is our standard, service is our priority, and uptime is your result. Our equipment and compound innovations have continued to provide value in the industry in the form of increased safety, greater reliability, and proven bottom line value. Today I'll walk you through some of the features and benefits of our tie plugging compounds and equipment. You'll learn more about the different cartridges and applicators for applying Endura Plug tie plugging compound manually, as well as the equipment options, ride-on, walk-behind, and skid-mounted units. Let's get started with our field-proven and time-tested tie plugging compound, Endura Plug. Our Endura Plug tie plugging compound has been developed in labs and tested in the field. It is a two-part, one-to-one mix by volume, rigid polyurethane product. It is supplied in liquid form as two separate components and is dispensed from pressurized dispensing systems that is mixed as it is dispensed. It is designed to fill spike holes and voids in wooden and composite railroad cross ties so that they can be re-spiked or re-lagged without damaging the surrounding tie. It has been developed in accordance with AREMA Chapter 30 requirements. Endura Plug maintains the integrity of the tie and provides superior holding strength, which ultimately keeps your track engaged. Endura Plug can be applied in low temperatures. Cure time is temperature dependent, typically reacting in 60 seconds with a full cure time in 5 minutes. Typical expansion is approximately 40%. Endura Plug is stocked and ready to ship in various size cartridges for our hand applicators, in 5-gallon pails and 250-gallon totes for use in our tie plugging equipment. These are just a few of the reasons why Endura Plug has become the tie plugging compound of choice for railroads across North America. When using Endura Plug cartridges, start by unscrewing the cap and removing the D-plug. Screw the mixing chamber onto the cartridge nozzle. Place cartridge in dispensing gun. Dispense Endura Plug into the spike hole. After about 5 minutes, the compound is ready to be spiked. If you do not use the entire cartridge, the cap and D-plugs can be reinserted for use at a later time. Encore's line of tie plugging equipment increases safety and productivity while decreasing costs for maintenance away gangs. It includes ride-on, walk-behind, and skid-mounted units. We constantly have equipment in operation across North America, and we are regularly maintaining and upgrading equipment at our Denver facility. The RTP is a state-of-the-art ride-on tie plugger that delivers the ultimate in reliable and safe high-speed production application to both concrete and wood ties. It has been proven in production for decades. The RTP is track-mounted and self-propelled, traveling up to 25 miles an hour for easy clearing. It can be run with 1 or 2 operators who are seated during track travel and work modes. The seating is comfortable, adjustable, and ergonomic. Both operator stations have their own compound dispensing applicator. The low maintenance guns are designed to reduce cleanup time. The RTP holds 250 gallons of tie plugging compound. The RTP offers two options: the addition of our SpeedSet UV light curing epoxy unit for concrete rail seat abrasion and a semi-enclosed cab. Encore's walk-behind tie plugger provides the flexibility and reliability to meet the demands of all types of production tie plugging applications. It offers a single or dual crawler drive. The dual crawler drive system eliminates repositioning the machine in a rail replacement process, allowing the machine to travel in either direction. Work speed control is adjustable, and stop bars in the front and rear maximize safety. Dual compound dispensing guns increase plugging speed and efficiency. The single compound pump ensures a consistent mix. The compact and lightweight skid-mounted tie plugger operates on a gasoline-powered air compressor and generator. It is assembled on a 3x5 foot portable, heavy-duty, welded frame with lifting eye. Weighing only 1,100 pounds and holding 20 gallons of tie plugging compound, it provides the same reliability, quality, and performance as our larger equipment, but designed specifically for smaller jobs. Tie plugging compound is dispensed through a single application gun featuring a boom with 180-degree rotation. Encore uses GPS to help customers locate and track project progress. Our machine GPS also allows our field service team fast access and tracking of equipment to help reach customers as quickly as possible. The best cross-tie protection starts with the best service and training. We are proud of our team of experienced professionals that are here to help support you. We will provide the support you need where you need it. Our dedicated field staff is ready to help you with reoccurring training needs, safe equipment operation, maintenance, and repair of your application equipment. Our comprehensive, hands-on operator training will make sure your operators have a complete understanding of the equipment's operation and safety features. We also provide in-house training with technical classes for operators and mechanics. Our top priority is to make sure the equipment is being used safely and that you're maximizing your uptime. Having the parts available when you need them is critical to maximizing uptime. That is why we maintain a complete inventory of parts for all of our equipment. You can count on our dedicated parts and service team to respond promptly and thoroughly. Put our focus on safety, reliability, value, service, and support to work for you.